Let's move on to the next one. We have a negative p, which is a monomial, and then this bracket makes 2p minus 2 a monomial as well. But we know that this monomial is negative p. Inside this bracket, we have two terms. So that means this monomial will be distributed to the two terms inside the bracket. So we distribute, multiply using S and L. So sign negative times a positive gives us a negative. Number 1, because there's a coefficient of 1 there, times 2. 1 times 2 gives us 2. Then here we have the same variable p. But remember, for bases that are the same, what do we do when we multiply? We keep the base. Then what do we do to the exponents? We add the exponents. So this would be 1 plus 1. So I can go ahead and just write the actual answer squared. Okay. Remember, for the previous question, I just wanted to show you what we do. But I could move on from this step directly to this. All right. So it's negative 2p squared. Then I'm done with the distribution of negative p to 2p. Now distribute negative p to negative 2. What's negative times a negative? It's positive. What's 1 times 1? That is 1. And then lastly, the letter p times 2. Now the variables are different. So what we simply do is we combine the different variables as they are so that we have pq. So our final answer is negative 2p squared plus 1pq. This 1 does not have to be visible because there are other variables in the mix. So even if you wrote pq without the 1, that still means the 1 is there, just unseen. Okay, remember, you can write or not write the 1 only if there are other variables that are in there. Okay, but you have to write the 1 if there's nothing else that is there. It's very important. So that gives us that answer. We cannot add or subtract anything here because these are two unlike terms.